Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a healthy and tasty curry leaves chutney powder recipe. For this, firstly heat a kadai and add handful of curry leaves to it. Curry leaves are powerful antioxidants and helps to control stress and aids in a digestion and reduces the risk of cancer and heart diseases also. Fry it until curry leaves become a crispy and crunchy in a texture. In the same pan, add 1 bowl of grated dry coconut. Dry coconut is also having huge health benefits. It aids in a digestion and improves brain function. Now add bowl of chana dal to it with a teaspoon of oil. Chana dal is rich in vitamin B complex and immunity booster, and it also aids in a digestion. Fry it well until it turns to a golden brown color. Now add quarter cup of urad dal. Fry it well until it turns to a golden brown color. Urad dal is also improves our gut health and keeps our heart healthy. Now add a quarter teaspoon of sesame seeds and a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I am adding a 6 to 7 dry red chilies. As per your taste you can add more, and half tablespoon of asafoetida or hing, and I have added tamarind to it. Now add a half teaspoon of coriander powder to it and fry it well. In a medium flame we need to roast all these ingredients. Once done, switch off the stove and add in a previously roasted ingredients and just turn once. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt to it and 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Put all the ingredients into a mixie jar and make a fine powder of it. Now curry leaves chutney powder is ready to store for 10 to 15 days. This is a healthy and tasty chutney powder. You can have it with dosa, rice and chapati. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much.